Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you were happy and well. So in today's video denim craft ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So let's start today video. So viewers, my first idea is friends. Denim bag. First I cut the denim into shape, then I stitch the sides and add handles. This bag is strong and perfect for daily use. Recycling all cloth is fun and useful. Denim flower brooches. I cut small circles from denim fabric, then I fold and stitch them into a flower shape. Add a pin at the back. It looks cute and dresses and bag. Denim cushion cover and frames. Viewers, I use small pieces of our denim jeans. I join them to create a patchwork design. These cushions look modern and stylish, perfect for home decoration. So I hope you will. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, friends. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. So take care and God is viewers.